Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to customize swipe actions in Yahoo Mail app. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it? So as you can see right now, my right swipe action is delete and my left swipe action is mark as unread. Now let's see how to change this swipe action. So open your Yahoo Mail app and tap on your profile icon to the top left corner. And tap on settings and tap on swipe actions, and to customize right swipe, tap on choose action and you can select any of them. So I'm going to select here archive, and to customize right swipe, tap on this last option and select any of them, and to make default actions, tap on reset to default actions. And if I swipe now, here you can see I've successfully customized swipe actions. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.